Introducing the Beadsmith Ergonomic Series Pliers, your ultimate companion for crafting exquisite jewelry pieces. Designed with precision and comfort in mind, these pliers are the perfect tool for achieving consistent loops and bends on all your jewelry projects. Crafted with professional quality hardened steel jaws, our pliers ensure durability and reliability for every task. The ergonomic design features signature blue and black handles, providing ultimate comfort during extended crafting sessions. They are made of box joint construction, which results in pliers with exceptional performance and longer life. You can rely on them to last for everyday use to create jewelry such as bracelets and necklaces. Measuring 5 inches, these pliers are equipped with extra fine tips, making them ideal for precision to medium-level work. Whether you're a seasoned jewelry artist or a passionate hobbyist, our pliers are a must-have addition to your crafting arsenal. From bracelets to necklaces, these versatile pliers are suitable for various DIY jewelry projects.